Hey everybody, today I'm going to be talking about Coinbase, more specifically the Earn section of Coinbase where you can quite literally earn free money. Now this is not some over-the-top finance video targeted at beginners on how to become a millionaire overnight through crypto. This is simply an easy and painless way to make around $30 by learning about different cryptocurrencies through Coinbase. In this video, I'll detail the Learn and Earn section of Coinbase and show the process of selling off the earned crypto to US dollars, which can then be transferred to your bank account. When you open up your Coinbase account, you can click on the Learn and Earn section on the left-hand part of your screen if you're using a computer, or if you're using the app on your phone, click the three horizontal lines on the top left corner and select Learn and Earn. This will bring you to a section of various cryptos where you can earn said crypto by learning about the coins and answering questions correctly. These typically give $3 for 3 correct answers, but some can offer as much as $9 or $10 for completing the quizzes. Select the crypto that you wish to earn, and watch a few educational videos before answering simple multiple choice questions at the end of each section. This is a great way to quickly earn some free money while also learning more about certain coins and getting a good introduction to the world of crypto. Here you can see I selected Compound, where you can see the informational videos being shown, followed by questions. You then receive a small amount of these coins, which can then be found in the Assets section of your account. Next, I'm going to show you how to sell off these amounts and send them back to your bank account as US dollars. You can also use your new crypto to exchange it for other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. Click on the coin you wish to exchange, for example the $3 worth of Compound, and select Trade. Click Convert Comp to another crypto and select the amount you wish to exchange. Here I've selected the maximum amount for Bitcoin. You can see there is no fee for exchanging. Click Convert Now and your Compound is now Bitcoin. Rather than selecting to exchange, you can also select the coin you wish to sell and choose Sell. Here I'm going to be selling $4 worth of Fetch. Choose the amount you wish to sell. You can see that there is a 99-cent fee to sell for cash. Select Sell Now and your crypto is now sold off and converted back to US dollars. Go back to your home page and select the asset USD or US dollars. You will see the amount there. Click on Cash Out, where you can see you can either do an instant transfer for 55 cents or a standard cash out for free, which takes 1 to 3 business days. Enter the amount you wish to cash out and hit Preview. Here you can see there is no fee and the funds will arrive next Tuesday. Click on Cash Out Now and the amount will be transferred to your bank account. So that's how you can earn some free money in Coinbase while also learning a bit more about crypto. If you don't yet have a Coinbase account, you can also earn $10 in Bitcoin for signing up through a referral link. I'm going to include mine in the description and as a pinned comment, so feel free to use that if you'd like. Once you buy or sell $100 worth of crypto, you and the person who referred you both earn $10 in Bitcoin. Once you have an account, you can then refer your own friends and earn more. I hope this video was interesting and helpful, and let me know in the comment section if there's any other type of videos or topics that you'd like me to cover. And also please consider subscribing and sharing this video, it really helps, and I'll see you soon.